Ready to make 2025 the year you learn something new? Discover the joy of woodworking. With 16,000 step-by-step plans, you can master the art of building shelves, tables, or even a backyard shed. No experience needed. These beginner-friendly plans are simple, require minimal tools, and perfect for any space. Start the year strong by learning a skill that's creative, rewarding, and fun. Comment plan below, and I'll send the link straight to your DMS. Make 2025 the year you create something amazing. Let's get building.